You're gonna section out the front section. So first ponytail, cute. And then same thing over here. Okay, I feel like this is where it gets people confused. So you're gonna take these two and you're gonna put them together. And then you're gonna take this tail and flip it toward your face, and then it goes under and through, okay? Leave that section like that. Okay, so now this goes forward. You're not doing anything with that right now. And you're gonna take the rest of your hair and you're gonna put that all into a ponytail. And make sure this ponytail is close to your topsy tail. Like, we don't want to stretch this out too far to put it over top of it. So keep that ponytail real high and real close to the topsy. The reason this works is because this like acts as like a cushion as you put this over top of your ponytail. It's gonna like hoist it up. And so your ponytail is gonna sit up like almost like it would look in a claw clip, but that makes it like very like spouty. So you get the height out of it and the volume. Okay, so this hole here, pony goes through. Okay. And now once that's through, you have to tighten everything. I guess I have sweatpants on. Okay, so this, we wanna tighten it up underneath the ponytail holder, like that. And then the ponytail holder. And then we flip this back. It has to be like my favorite style. I love a ponytail.